Hello everyone, welcome back to Virtual Lab Infra once again. This is an overview of PowerShell scripting. I'm gonna show you how you can create or build a AD health check dashboard using PowerShell script. As you can see, there are few VMs which is hosted on my VMware ESXi and I'm managing through vCenter server. Currently, I have two ESXi hosts and one vCenter which is running right now. My first domain controller, which is hosted on workstation on Dell server, which is hardware server. On the secondary domain controller is running on the ESSI hosts, which is host 01. So I am managing all this VM from this vCenter server. And today I have created a PowerShell script to have your dashboard created for AD health check. So this is the AD health check PowerShell script which I have created. If you go to run and go to PowerShell ISA. So this is the dashboard that I have created. If you run this dashboard, so automatically it will create a dashboard and pop up to your browser and it will show you what are the domain controllers are available, what are the status of all the important roles and services. As you can see, I have two domain controller which is listed here in the server column. Primary domain controller 01, secondary domain controller 01. The site names are workstation site because this server is hosted on workstation. The secondary server is hosted on ESXi, so I have given a name ESXi site. These are the operating system details, FSMO. So my primary domain controller is holding all the roles, so it is reflecting here. Both the servers are online. DNS services are running and their healths are okay. Uptime it is showing, so 0 days and 5 hours. This is few minutes before I have rebooted. Operating system is nothing but a C drive space, your NTDS, your NETLOGON. This is your Carbros services, your time synchronization, your SYSVOL, NETLOGON, advertising, replication service, all are looking good. So it's giving all the information with green color. If any of the server goes down, so let me show you putting one of the server shut down or let me put it on suspend. So this secondary domain controller will be not contactable and it should give you the exact information here when we run again this script. So let me close this script and rerun it. So basically in enterprise environment, we don't we don't run this script every day or every time. Instead, we create a scheduler, task scheduler, and the batch files keep running on the server and whatever frequency time frequency you give like 3 hours or 4 hours of time, it'll learn and automatically send this report to your email ID which you have given while configuring your scheduler task, and you will be able to see on your email. That is how the IT people manage the domain controller and they get the alerts whenever there is any issues or anything. They can you know remediate those kind of issues. I just wanted to show you guys. This is one of the uh, important roles and features we have in Windows Server that every IT people configure so that they will not miss any issues and they can immediately fix them before there is an outage or something happens to the end users. So that's all, guys. This is what I wanted to show you. So as you can see, the moment I shut down the DC server, secondary DC server, all the services and everything shows as red, and and it is reflecting as failed and unreachable and missing kind of information. So this is how you will get the alert and you can have your environment healthy. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.